Hey hustlers, welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we turn sidewalks into gold mines. Fall is just around the corner, and you know what that means. It's time to cash in on those cozy vibes and hungry crowds. Today, we're diving into 17 mind-blowing street food ideas that'll have you raking in the dough faster than leaves falling from trees. Are you ready to transform your side hustle into a full-blown empire? Let's go! Number 1. Pumpkin Spice Churro Sundaes. Imagine warm, crispy churros dusted with pumpkin spice sugar, topped with a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce. It's like autumn in a cup. With ingredients costing around $2 per serving and a selling price of $8 to $10, you're looking at a potential profit of $6 to $8 per Sunday. Multiply that by 100 sales a day, and you're talking $600 to $800 daily profit. That's some serious cheddar, folks. Number 2. Maple Bacon Waffle Tacos. Take a crispy waffle, fold it into a taco shape, and stuff it with maple glazed bacon, scrambled eggs, and a sprinkle of chives. It's breakfast meets street food, meets fall flavor explosion. Your cost? About $3 per taco, selling price? $12 to $15? That's a $9 to $12 profit margin per taco. Sell 80 a day, and you're looking at $720 to $960 in your pocket. Now we're cooking. Number 3. Butternut Squash Coconut Curry Soup Shots. Warm up those chilly fall nights with shooters of creamy butternut squash soup infused with coconut and curry spices. Serve it in biodegradable shot glasses with a mini non-bread garnish. Cost per shot, $1.50. Sell it for $5, and you're making $3.50 profit per shot. Sell 200 shots a day, and that's $700 pure profit. Shot calling never tasted so good. Apple Cider Donut Hole Skewers. Picture this: warm, cinnamon sugar-coated donut holes on a skewer drizzled with a thick apple cider glaze. Cost per skewer for 5 donut holes is $1. Selling price, $5 to $6. That's a $4 to $5 profit per skewer. Sell 150 skewers a day, and you're looking at $600 to $750 in daily profit. Sweet success indeed. Smoked Gouda and Roasted Chestnut Grilled Cheese. Elevate the humble grilled cheese with smoked Gouda and roasted chestnuts on artisanal bread. Cost per sandwich, $3.50. Selling price, $12 to $14. You're pocketing $8.50 to $10.50 per sandwich. Flip 100 of these bad boys a day, and you're grilling up $850 to $1,050 in profit. Now that's what I call bringing home the bacon. Caramel Apple Nacho Bar. Set up a build-your-own caramel apple nacho bar with crisp apple slices, warm caramel sauce, chocolate drizzle, crushed nuts, and candy toppings. Cost per serving $2. Charge $8 to $10, and you're making $6 to $8 profit per customer. Serve 120 people a day, and you're talking $720 to $960 in your pocket. Sweet and savory profits coming right up. Harvest Moon Mulled Wine. Warm up the crowds with spiced mulled wine served in eco-friendly cups. Cost per serving $2.50. Selling price $8 to $10. That's $5.50 to $7.50 profit per cup. Serve 150 cups a day, and you're looking at $825 to $1,125 daily profit. Cheers to that. Pulled pork and pumpkin BBQ sliders. Slow-cooked pulled pork mixed with a tangy pumpkin BBQ sauce served on mini brioche buns. Cost per slider, $2. Selling price, $6 to $8. You're making $4 to $6 profit per slider. Sell 200 sliders a day, and that's $800 to $1,200 in your pocket. Now we're talking serious barbecue business. Roasted chestnut and mushroom risotto balls. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. These risotto balls are fall comfort food at its finest. Cost per ball, $1.50. Sell them for $5 to $6 each, and you're making $3.50 to $4.50 profit per ball. Sell 180 balls a day, and you're looking at $630 to $810 daily profit. That's some serious dough, my friends. Spiced pear and brie quesadillas. Caramelized spiced pears meet gooey brie cheese in a crispy tortilla. Cost per quesadilla, $2.50. Selling price, $9 to $11. That's $6.50 to $8.50 profit per quesadilla. Flip 120 of these a day, and you're talking $780 to $1,020 in your pocket. Cheese-tastic profits, anyone? Bourbon Pecan Pie Milkshakes. Blend up some fall indulgence with these boozy milkshakes. Cost per shake, $3. Selling price, $12 to $15. you're looking at $9 to $12 profit per shake. Blend up 100 shakes a day, and that's $900 to $1,200 pure profit. Shake it up, baby. Sage and brown butter popcorn cones. Elevate movie night snacks with gourmet popcorn tossed in sage-infused brown butter. Cost per cone $1, selling price $5 to $6. That's $4 to $5 profit per cone. Pop 250 cones a day, and you're looking at $1,000 to $1,250 daily profit. Now that's what I call popping off. Cranberry and brie stuffed pretzel bites. Soft pretzel bites stuffed with tart cranberries and creamy brie cheese. Cost per serving, which is 5 bites, is $2. Selling price ranges from $8 to $10. You're pocketing $6 to $8 per serving. Serve 150 of these a day, and you're talking $900 to $1,200 in profit. Pretzel logic at its finest. Maple bacon cotton candy. Who says cotton candy is just for kids? This adult version features maple-flavored cotton candy topped with crispy bacon bits. Cost per serving is $1.50. Selling price is $7 to $9. That's $5.50 to $7.50 profit per serving. Spin 200 of these a day, and you're looking at $1,100 to $1,500 in daily profit. Sweet and savory success. Roasted garlic and herb bone marrow toast. For the adventurous eater, serve up roasted bone marrow on crusty bread with garlic and herbs. Cost per serving $4. Selling price $15 to $18. You're making $11 to $14 profit per serving. Serve 80 of these a day, and that's $880 to $1,120 in your pocket. Marrow Velouse profits. Fig and goat cheese. Wontons with honey drizzle. Crispy wontons filled with figs and goat cheese, drizzled with local honey. Cost per wonton 75 cents. Selling price $3 to $4 per wonton. That's $2.25 to $3.25 profit per wonton. Fry up 300 wontons a day, and you're looking at $675 to $975 daily profit. Wonton more? I thought so. Smoked salmon and dill cream cheese bagel bombs. Bite-sized bagel balls filled with smoked salmon and dill cream cheese. Cost per bomb $1.50. Selling price $5 to $6. You're pocketing $3.50 to $4.50 per bomb. Sell 200 bombs a day, and that's $700 to $900 in pure profit. Bomb diggity business right there. And there you have it, folks. 17 innovative street food ideas that'll have you rolling in dough faster than you can say pumpkin spice. Remember, the key to success is not just in the food, but in your hustle. Get out there, perfect your craft, and watch those profits soar. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.